Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming you own a persona that carries an instant kill skill and is high enough level to hit enemies reliably. Once done, equip accessories that increase critical or luck to raise success rates. Make sure to also buff party offense quickly. Enter the fight, scout enemy weaknesses with Analyze or Observe, and open with non-lethal pressure to remove shields. Then position your caster where they can follow up. This sets the stage for the first instant kill attempt. Now focus on timing and setup. Lower enemy defenses with targeted elements and status inflictions, so the instant kill check faces reduced resistance. Once you apply Tarukaja or Rakukaja and cut the foe's accuracy or defense, follow with Dekaja or similar to clear their buffs. This increases the kill chance. Use hold, stun, or stagger windows to prevent them from removing debuffs. When the enemy is vulnerable and isolated, strike immediately with the persona's instant kill skill to maximize. Finish by confirming the instant kill result. If it fails, pivot fast to a heavy element or all-out attack to capitalize on the momentum. If enemies are immune to instant kill, use items that inflict status or break guard, then retry with a different persona or skill. Make sure to preserve baton pass chains and SB for multiple attempts. Troubleshooting tip: if instant kill repeatedly misses, increase luck and debuffs. Switch to a persona with higher innate instant kill chance, and avoid multi-target attempts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.